This is Tegral's trailer air lockout fitting, which is the perfect solution for security conscious fleets in the Australian transport industry. It is the perfect solution for increased security throughout loading, unloading and during maintenance. It fits a 6.5mm padlock which can be keyed alike and keyed differently if you want multiple trailers on one type of key. The trailer lockout fitting is available in red, black, gold and silver colours, and it's all available in any configuration from Tegral.